The greed of the globalists knows no bounds. They want all resources on land and water to fall under a global commons designation. And once they sink their claws into a particular resource, we, humanity, will never lay our hands on it again. Welcome to Pure Element 5. My name's Suzanne, and today's epiphany came from learning about the technocrats' latest monster. It's called Smart Oceans, the Internet of Underwater Things. The objective of this initiative is to fully invade and disrupt our planet's oceans in the name of lucrative sustainable development and untold military gain. Powerful interests seek to misdirect people who want to do the right thing. If we go down the wrong path, irreversible harm will be inflicted in the name of carbon trading, green growth, financial inclusion, resilient cities, and smart oceans. The Internet of Underwater Things requires the introduction of a wide range of invasive technologies into the ocean on a massive scale. By the end of this video, you'll learn of the dangers of smart oceans and the integral role it plays in the artificial intelligence arms race we are watching play out on the world stage. The Internet of Underwater Things includes a system of unmanned robots that scour the marine waters. They communicate with the installed underwater sensors and transmit data to networks on the land or the water-air boundaries. Here's the thing, communication is much more difficult to accomplish underwater than through the air. Because of this, scientists are choosing to use the same communication method used by marine creatures, such as acoustic waves, radio waves, lasers, LED light, and magnetic induction to flood the oceans with data. Smart oceans will consist of underwater sensors that communicate with one another and with relay stations on the surface of the water. These stations will in turn communicate with satellites and ground-based 5G infrastructure on land. This vast ocean-based network is geared to be integrated into systems warfare, 21st century warfare that weaves together the different branches of the military into one coordinated AI web of destruction. Specifically, the smart ocean will include autonomous underwater vehicles, robots, submarines, underwater drones, torpedoes, bombs, and anti-torpedo defense systems. In what is known as dual-use technology, the Internet of Underwater Things will also be used by the private sector for its purposes: mining for materials on the ocean floor, seismic drilling, monitoring oil and gas pipelines, global trade, surveying shipwrecks, and scientific research. Data mining is the next frontier of predatory resource extraction. Just as experts began to postulate capitalism cannot expand any further, it jumps the shark into the digital realm, seeding itself in digital worlds, claiming private property on blockchain, and colonizing the cloud. In the cold, calculating world of impact investing, sensors will monitor our behaviors and nudge us to make the right choices so investors can achieve the success metrics that will allow them to siphon profit from the public trough. If you thought this was pure engagement, please give us a thumbs up. And if you thought it was pure poo, feel free to give us a thumbs down. It helps us create the content you want to see. The links are down below if you want to catch us on other mediums, along with a link to our website so you can download our free ebook. Until we meet again, the essence of who you truly are is pure love. Go out and connect with someone and show them the love.